Wolf's Convergence Station. Located near downtown Denver, it's a $60 million permanent installation created by an immersive arts organization from Santa Fe, New Mexico. It tells the story of 4 worlds colliding in a dimensional rift: Sea Street, Orrery, Eemian, and Numina. In the ancient and frozen ice world of Eemian, there are relics from the old civilization. Among these relics are 2 mech navigators that were used to open the sky and transport the planet across dimensions. Guests sitting in the navigator mechs control an interactive laser projector Orrery that forms the basis of a cooperative puzzle to solve. We created a game engine to control the entire room. The game engine takes input from the control panels on the mechs and sends OSC and MIDI data to the laser projection system. OSC is used to manipulate elements within the projection, and MIDI data is used to switch projection modes. The game engine also sends data to the lighting, sound, and video systems in the room to change their behavior based on what's happening with the laser projection. RFID stations are placed around the entire building. It's necessary to solve puzzles and gain memories in other locations, record them on the RFID card, and bring it to the mechs before they can be fully activated. There are 5 laser projection modes: exploration, topographic, alignment, little win, and the wormhole. The little win mode happens when guests solve the alignment mode puzzle, but the mechs have not been properly activated with the RFID card. If the alignment mode is solved and the RFID card contains the proper memories, the entire room is activated and the wormhole opens.